Okay, Maverick. So the first example that you see here on my screen is the one where you are simply matching either a definition or an example with figurative language. So, for example, if you know what sound words are. If you know they're onomatopoeia, you select sound words and then click on onomatopoeia. Now, as it just did there, it didn't take that onomatopoeia because there's a second choice. So I'll click on the other onomatopoeia and click on sound words, and once they match, they actually light up for me. Okay. That'll be the same way for each one of them. There's two examples of idioms. You just have to match the right idiom with the right definition or with the correct example. Does that part make sense so far? Okay, so the music one works very similarly, except for this one, you can't see your options. Okay, so once you click one over, and this is actually the actual lyrics that we're looking at for the music. So looking at that one, it says, count your blessings and stop complaining. Count your blessings before going to sleep. It's a great antidote to sadness. Okay. Adele's song. What's the title of this one? I can't remember the name of it all of a sudden. But it's definitely not Count Your Blessings. But Count Your Blessings is the phrase we're looking at. That's what you need to identify. Count Your Blessings is an example of what? I am on the music one. Is it not showing on your end? There you go. Should be showing now. Sorry, that may have been user error. So now you should definitely be able to see the music one. Like I said, it's showing one that I've already turned over. It says count your blessings and stop complaining, count your blessings before going to sleep. Count your blessings is the phrase we want to focus on. Do you know what count your blessings is an example of? What type of figurative language? If not, that's okay. I know I'm kind of putting you on the spot. Maybe someone in your class knows what it is. Count your blessings. You have heard of that saying before, haven't you? Sounds like a very popular saying. People say some from time to time, right? People don't say count your blessings or that you're blessed. That's a big phrase now. Okay, you're absolutely right. How do you know that's what that means? People use it quite often. Which one of our figurative languages means that's the popular phrase we often use? Maddie just said idiom. She's right. So once I have this music lyric flipped over, I want to start going and trying to find idiom. Okay. I have to find the right idiom as well because there's two idioms underneath here. So it means that I'll have to keep on flipping through in order to find it. Oh, well, there's idiom, and now it matches. Does that make sense, Maverick? No, so the way it just lit up in red means that I actually have it correct. Once it's lit up and it has those little dots on it, it means I have it correct. If they disappear, well, I luckily got those right. But if it disappears, then I have it wrong. See how it went away? So if it disappears on me, then I know I have it wrong. So if I click on the next one, I know I have it incorrect. Okay, that one didn't match either. Onomatopoeia didn't match up. Thriller didn't match up. Does that make sense? So when they don't match, they actually disappear. And if you just try to click through at random, you're not really helping yourself either. Okay, you might get lucky like I did with the alliteration one, but that doesn't always happen because there's a lot of them on purpose. Does that make sense, bud? Awesome. All right, well, if you have other questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help you. Okay, bud?